What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you everything new in the new Animal Company update. So first, we got stuff like this. Right here, you're able to just bang it. Takes 3 hits on chicken. And next, we have new items. You see this? Gotta throw it. Why is that hard? But, you know, I haven't unlocked everything, but there's Cross Country, Hookshot, Hoverboard, and Hard Gun. So if you go grab onto this, then put it to your face, you'll be able to be teleported over here. So you are able to buy these with real life money and game points that you're able to get. And as you can see, it's a very good map. I already played most of it, but now we got some really big stuff. I mean, really big. I mean, really big. You see this right here? I take this one out. There's a whole entire bazooka. It costs $10,000, and it's at the end of the tech tree. See, let me use it on this. So I already seen it in the previous video, but anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys. Still shocked me, but I'm gonna tell you guys a promo code. I can't reveal. It still gives me the old model. If you didn't know, there's a new model for it. So that's good. So I guess you're still able to get it. But you know, bazooka, that stuff, I can't tell you where I got this because that's for another video. As you can see, they finished this, added some wires over there, added some extra ones right there, added this part of it, and added like more items. I'm gonna be trying to see if I can buy every single item. Alright. First, we got metal bat. It's the same. This one also. These. What do I even have in my backpack? Yo. I'm loaded. Alright, so you also got new items like this. So you're able to grab it like this in there. It's way better, and it also has 0 gravity. So we got new hitting items. 3 new hitting items. This. Oh yeah, I did the wrong one. See this? This was actually doing does more damage than the mine thing. No, it's crazy that this does more damage. See? Let me go up to 1. Hey, see, it kills them in 2 hits. I didn't show you guys. I didn't show you guys it yet, but it's a different item. You see? See, look at this. Oh, so you're able to just run away. This is so easy. But in the next video, I'm gonna show you. Anyways, I'm gonna look for some. We're gonna try to find more items. Then I'm gonna show you the promo code. Alright, so first, not first, but the gadgets. Let's see. Let's see this anymore. Surprisingly, no. For the bags, there's also a new bag. It's small. It's a small backpack. And I also got this new item. It's a stick. It breaks out sometimes. You see the sound? Does it break it too much on there? No, but that's the sound. I won't be showing every single item, but this is an instant grenade. Like instead of you having to wait for a few seconds, you can just when you gotta just throw it on the ground. You see, it explodes immediately. And I haven't really checked out this item much, but what just happened? Game laggy. So now I got this item. I'm actually gonna try it on something because I barely seen what this item does even. So let me see. Guys. Now. No, please, I'm begging. Oh. Because it kills a little bit more, but guys, I need to get my items back right now. For some reason, I decided to play this while my percent was at 5, and I need my items back because it has the original crossbow. It'll probably be patched in the next update to get the original crossbow, and I don't want to and this. I didn't know it was kind of hard to get this. We gotta see what else is here. So we also got this. See where it has particles? You see? You throw it, then it will explode. Pretty big explosion, but it doesn't kill him. Alright, so I'm gonna put these other items into my backpack. Hopefully I can still fit it. And here's a new item that I need to unlock. I'm able to carry like 20 ammo stuff. So now, explosives. Here we got. Well, the clapper got an upgrade, just a tiny bit of upgrade. I'm gonna put this in my backpack. It's not too heavy. But there's still more stuff that I need to unlock like that. Yeah, so I can't see that one. Then we got the MRE and stuff. So that's all I have right now, but I almost have everything. But this is basically a 2.0 of the gravity gun, but much better because it doesn't make you take damage. As you can see, all I need is like, I didn't get most of the expensive stuff. But guys, I'm gonna show you this promo code. So my headset died and MetaQuest server when I went down for the first time in my experience. But now what we gotta do is put this on and go over here. So if you don't have this, then just climb up. Or if you're not good at climbing, then just scale up. Anyways, now we gotta go up. This is very effective. Yeah, you start hearing typing like I am. You guys can hear my audio, so you'll know when you get it. And there will be a hole down here that you're able to go in. Yo, why did the game do that for a second? Now, see, there's a area right here Why does it kind of look like a cheetah, but is the frog head, the type of body? But my head is very low, so I gotta do this quick. So you see, if you go up here, you gotta climb up here. Alright, can I get up? Alright, so now if you go on top of here, you'll see deliver value. So now you can pause the video and go into game, but you'll be able to do, now you're just able to grab up here. You see the cheetah body kind of, but now you're able to grab up here and go back down here. Damn. Look at that. No. The code is deliver value. We're able to go over here. Value. Alright. So now you gotta go to the computer. Go to the code deliver value. And guys, I already showed you one of the codes, but in the other video, so go watch that video if you want a different code for one more. But all you gotta do is spell deliver value. All you gotta do is press prog. But that also spells for promo code. I didn't even know that was there. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye.